The next topic is oxide of phosphorus. We know that the phosphorus form many oxide, out of which the three important oxide is phosphorus trioxide, that is P4O6, phosphorus tetroxide, that is P4O8, and phosphorus pentoxide, that is P4O10. Phosphorus trioxide is a white crystalline solid and it gives us the garlic odor. P4O6, that is phosphorus trioxide, is also called as anhydride of the phosphorus. It is because when it reacts with water, it forms the phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. Like that, P4O6 when reacts with 6H2O to form 4H3PO4. If we talk about the structure, then three phosphorus atoms are present at the corner of the octahedron, and each phosphorus atoms are joined together by the phosphorus oxygen phosphorus bridge. And similarly here, these two phosphorus also join together by phosphorus oxygen phosphorus, and similar here. Each phosphorus atom in P4O6 having a lone pair of electron on it. Next one is the phosphorus tetroxide, P4O8. It is a colorless solid. It is also called as mixed anhydride. Why it is called as mixed anhydride? Because when P4O8 reacts with water, it forms the mixed phosphoric acid, mixed acid of the phosphorus, like as phosphorus acid and the phosphoric acid, that is P4O8. When reacts with 6 molecules of water, it forms 2 molecules of the phosphorus acid, H3PO3, and 2 molecules of the phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. If we talk about the structure of the phosphorus tetraoxide, in the similar way, we are having the 4 phosphorus at the corner of the tetrahedron, and each phosphorus atoms are joined together by the phosphorus oxygen phosphorus bridge. In the similar way as in case of the P4O6, out of the 4, the 2 phosphorus atoms form the coordinate bond with the oxygen, and 2 phosphorus atoms are having their lone pair of electrons. The last one is the phosphorus pentoxide, that is P4O10. P4O10 is a snowy white solid, look like the snow. The most important thing is P4O10 showing the phenomena of phosphorescence. It means it glow in the presence of light. It produces the hissing sound. When P4O10 is added to water, it gives us the hissing sound. P4O10 when reacts with water, it forms the metaphosphoric acid, that is HPO3. It is a powerful dehydrating agent. It helps to remove the water from the reacting species. When it reacts with the water, it removes the reacts with the H2SO4 sulfuric acid, removes the water and release SO3 gas. When it reacts with the cellulose, it converts the cellulose into charcoal. P4O10, because of its structure, is also called as the flower of phosphorus. So in the structure we are having 4 phosphorus atom at the corner of the tetrahedron, in the similar way like as the structure of the P4O6 and P4O8. Each phosphorus atoms are joined together by the oxygen bridge or phosphorus oxygen phosphorus bond, and each phosphorus atoms form a coordinate bond with the oxygen atoms. So because of the shape of its structure, it is also called as the flower of phosphorus.